What if the next iPhone and Galaxy flagship no longer followed the same playbook? That's exactly what's happening now. And it's one of the clearest signs yet that Apple and Samsung are officially going their separate ways when it comes to hardware design. For a long time, their premium smartphones were often compared side by side. Powerful processors, top-tier cameras, polished glass bodies, and not much separating them other than the logo. But now, according to two new reports, both companies are shaping very different identities for their top devices. Let's start with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, which is expected to be thicker than ever before. This time, Apple is going up to 8.76 millimeters in thickness compared to the iPhone 16 Pro Max at 8.25 millimeters. The reason? A much larger battery. Rumors suggest the new Pro Max will pack a 5,000 mAh battery, finally putting endurance ahead of thinness. It's a shift that many users will likely welcome, especially those tired of needing a midday charge. Apple seems to be changing course, no longer obsessed with making its phones thinner every year. And if that's not your thing, they'll still offer the iPhone 17 Air, which could be slimmer but comes with a much smaller 2,800 mAh battery, clearly meant for users who value design over battery life. On the other hand, Samsung is doubling down on slimness. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to come in at less than 8 millimeters thick, possibly even closer to 7 millimeters. That's thinner than Apple's Pro Max, yet it might still offer a 5,000 mAh battery. How is that possible? Some believe Samsung may use denser battery tech, something more compact and advanced to pack the same amount of power into a thinner frame. If that's true, Samsung could offer the best of both worlds: long battery life in a light, sleek body. That kind of design could appeal to people who want power without the extra weight. The contrast is clear now. Apple is prioritizing battery space, even if the phone gets a bit chunkier, while Samsung is using smart engineering to keep everything slim. These decisions could lead to the biggest difference we've seen between Galaxy and iPhone models in recent years. No more mirror strategies. Each brand is sticking to what it believes is the better choice. Apple's direction might feel like a throwback to when phones focused on endurance and performance, while Samsung is pushing boundaries with design and innovation. Meanwhile, some Chinese brands are pushing the battery conversation even further. Phones like the Honor Power have reached massive 8,000 mAh capacities. That shows where battery tech might go if thinness is not the priority. But for now, the real competition is between Apple and Samsung, and how they balance form with function. This shift could impact how users decide what matters most to them. Do they want a phone that looks thinner in their hand, or one that can go the distance on a single charge? It's no longer about who copies who. It's about two different ideas of what a flagship phone should be. So next time you're comparing the next iPhone and Galaxy models, pay attention to what they're built for, not just how they look. And if this helped you understand the bigger picture, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, clear updates on the future of tech. Could Samsung be about to change the way we think about its smartwatches again? Just days before the company's big Unpacked event on July 9th, a fresh real-life image of the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has surfaced online, giving us one of the clearest looks at what could be the next big thing for your wrist. The image was shared on Weibo by well-known leaker Setsuna Digital, also called Instant Digital, and shows off a new design direction that's already sparking debate. For the first time, Samsung's classic line is moving away from the traditional round shape and shifting to a new squircle design, a mix between a square and a circle, something we first saw on the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This new shape might become the standard look for all future Samsung watches, which is a bold move considering how long the company stuck with a circular design. The leaked photo shows a watch with a solid metal frame, paired with a sleek black leather band to physical buttons on the side, and what looks like the return of the iconic physical rotating bezel. That feature alone is huge news because many users were disappointed when Samsung removed it from some of its recent models. The rotating bezel isn't just for show, It's practical, giving users a tactile way to scroll through menus and settings without smudging the screen. Now, it looks like Samsung is listening to its users and bringing that classic feature back. Another interesting detail is the bezel itself, which appears thinner than before, suggesting that the screen might be larger, giving you more space to view your notifications, fitness data, or apps. While Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything about screen size, brightness, or battery, some reports suggest that this new model could include a brighter display and improved durability. That means it might be easier to see in sunlight and tougher against scratches or drops, both features people care about in a smartwatch. But it's not just this one image that's making headlines. This leak follows a series of others, including CAD-based renders of the entire Galaxy Watch 8 series and even a listing on eBay that claimed to show a testing or retail unit. With so many consistent leaks, it seems very likely that the final product will match what we're seeing now. And if that's the case, Samsung might be planning a big design shift for all of its upcoming watches. The Watch 8 Classic could end up being the perfect balance between old-school feel and new-school look, combining the rotating bezel that longtime users love with a shape that feels more modern and maybe even more comfortable on the wrist. Still, one big question remains. Can the Watch 8 Classic stand out against the more advanced Galaxy Watch Ultra, which already made headlines with its powerful features and premium build? The answer could depend on price, battery life, measured in mAh, and how well the Watch 8 Classic delivers those rumored upgrades. We'll know more when Samsung finally reveals all the details during its Unpacked event, which is also expected to include the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Galaxy Z Flip 7, and possibly more wearables. Until then, the leaks are painting a pretty clear picture of what's coming, and it looks like Samsung is serious about refreshing its smartwatch lineup in a big way. If you're as curious as we are to see how it all turns out, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our full coverage of Samsung's next big reveal. What if your next iPhone could do more than ever without breaking a sweat? The iPhone 17 Pro Max might just be that phone. It's expected to launch in September, and if early leaks are right, Apple is planning some serious upgrades not just on the inside, but also in the way the phone looks and feels. Let's start with the camera. Instead of the usual square bump, Apple might go with a rectangular layout that stretches across the top. It's a big change that could make the phone stand out instantly, but it's not just for looks. This design might help fit a new 48 megapixels periscope zoom camera. Right now, the iPhone 16 Pro Max has only a 12 megapixels zoom lens, so this would be a major step up for clearer, sharper photos from far away. And Apple is also thinking about the front camera. All models in the iPhone 17 lineup are rumored to get a new 24 megapixels selfie camera, double the current 12 megapixels. Whether you're on a video call or snapping a quick photo, the results